What do you know about caffeine? Is it good as a pre-workout supplement? What dosage should be taken, and how long before the workout is the ideal time? I'll tell you in this video. Who doesn't love a cup of coffee, or a refreshing glass of iced mate, or even a square of 70% cocoa chocolate? In the United States, about 90% of adults consume caffeine regularly, and some people, especially young adults and athletes. Back in the early 1900s, athletes, coaches, and trainers created their own mixtures of plant-based stimulants to get an advantage over their competitors. These mixtures included things like caffeine, cocaine, and even heroin. However, when the International Olympic Committee started testing for drugs in the late 1960s, people had to stop using these substances. One of the first studies on caffeine was done by two psychologists at Cambridge University who were interested in how caffeine affects muscle fatigue. They did a really well-designed study in 1906 to 1907 using themselves as subjects, and found that caffeine helped fight muscle fatigue. Caffeine is in lots of things we eat and drink, like coffee, tea, and cocoa. But it's also added to other stuff like jerky, peanut butter, and candy. Sometimes it's made in a lab that's synthetic, and sometimes it comes from natural sources like guarana and kola nut. You can even find it in some medicines. Most of the caffeine people consume comes from coffee, soft drinks, and tea. But there are over 60 plants with varying levels of caffeine in their leaves, beans, and fruit. People who exercise like to drink energy drinks with caffeine or take caffeine with other workout supplements to boost their performance. Caffeine in healthy doses can bring many health benefits and improve physical performance, but what is the appropriate dosage? According to the International Society of Sports Nutrition, ISSN, the appropriate dose to benefit from caffeine seems to be 3 to 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight. Caffeine has been widely used as a pre-workout supplement to increase performance, and the best time to take caffeine is usually about 1 hour before exercise. Caffeine can help both trained and untrained individuals, but it affects each person differently. Did you like it? Please give it a like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.